Mental health diagnoses, like depression or ADHD, are ways of naming real human suffering, but a diagnosis by itself is only a starting point. It doesn't fully explain what is happening inside a person. To truly understand someone, clinicians need tools and models that go beyond simple labels. Traditionally, people often think in a linear way. There is a cause, and then there is an effect. For example, this event caused this symptom. But the speaker argues that this is not how human beings work. The mind and brain are much more complex. They function as dynamic systems, where many factors interact continuously over time. The brain can be thought of as a kind of central processor that integrates different layers of experience. These include biological factors, genes, brain chemistry, physical health; psychological factors, thoughts, emotions, coping styles; social factors, relationships, environment, life experiences. These three areas are not separate. They are constantly influencing each other. This is what is meant by the biopsychosocial model. The brain is what actually makes this integration happen, moment by moment. Because of this, mental health conditions do not come from a single cause. Instead, they emerge from the interaction of many influences across time. For example, genetic vulnerability might combine with early life experiences and current stress to produce symptoms. Another important idea is that the brain is nonlinear and variable, not stable and predictable like a machine. A useful comparison is something like a heartbeat. It is not perfectly regular, but it still follows patterns that can be measured and understood. In the same way, mental processes are complex but not chaotic. They have structure. This is why clinicians need models. Models help them organize complexity, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. These models can include different levels of analysis, such as molecular, neurochemistry, cellular and brain circuits, psychological processes, and social dynamics. Mental illness appears when something in this system becomes dysregulated, but always across multiple levels, not just one. The goal of modern psychiatry, then, is to combine human understanding, listening to the person's story, with objective measurement, data, patterns, research. Neither alone is enough. In simple terms, mental health problems are complex systems problems, not single-cause problems. But they are still understandable and measurable if we look at the whole picture. The better we integrate all levels, biological, psychological, and social, the better we can understand and help people.